Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start right now by opening Settings. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and connected to power if needed. Tap Settings, then scroll to Batteries. This puts you at the control point. If you're running an older iOS, the layout may differ slightly. Note your iOS version in general so you know what to expect. Once done, locate Low Power Mode, and let's move immediately to turning it off and verifying the change. Now, find Low Power Mode in Batteries and tap the toggle to off. This restores background app refresh, mail fetch, and visual effects. You'll see the toggle switch change color. Confirm it goes gray. Make sure background app refresh is enabled if you need real-time updates. Go to General Background App Refresh to adjust. Once you've disabled Low Power Mode, watch the battery percentage icon stabilize and wait a few moments for system processes to resume fully. Finish by verifying Low Power Mode reads off in Settings Batteries, and by observing app behavior to ensure background activity returns. If the toggle won't change or the phone re-enables Low Power Mode, restart your iPhone and try again. Many temporary glitches clear with a reboot. If problems persist, check battery health and recent usage in the same menu to see if a failing battery or a runaway app is forcing power-saving measures. Then take the next steps based on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.